Hello and welcome to the AITSL Graduate Standards Resource Review. This short video will evaluate a resource graduate teachers can use to meet AITSL Graduate Standard 3.7, which is engaging parents or carers in the education process. Let's first look at what parent or carer engagement in the education process is, which is parent or carer involvement and support for their child's learning at home, school and in the community through parent or carer and school communication. A digital resource graduate teachers can use to meet AITSL Graduate Standard 3.7 is ClassDojo. ClassDojo is an online communication platform for students and teachers to engage and communicate with parents or carers through images, posts, videos and direct messages. ClassDojo can be accessed using their app or their website. There are two key features of ClassDojo that promote parent or carer engagement in the education process. These are Class Story and Private Messages. Class Story is a feed where teachers can engage parents or carers in the education process by sharing classroom moments, as well as reminding parents or carers of key dates, excursions, and homework. Private Messages enables teachers to communicate with parents or carers and discuss student progress, how best to meet the needs of a student, and how a parent or carer can engage in their child's education. Now, let's look into some of the research into how successful digital platforms can be in engaging parents or carers in the education process. One study conducted by Ozdamli and Yildiz found that most parents had access to computers and internet connection and held positive views on using digital platforms for parent-teacher communication and engagement. A more recent study conducted by Bordalba and Borkaka found that parents and teachers had positive and optimistic views on using digital platforms to communicate and believed that the platform allowed them to strengthen their communication. These studies highlight how using digital tools like ClassStory and Private Messages on ClassDojo can promote parent or carer engagement through digital communication. Now, let's look at how ClassStory and Private Messages enable a graduate teacher to meet AITSL Graduate Standard 3.7, which is engaging parents or carers in the education process. ClassStory and Private Messages on ClassDojo enable graduate teachers to inform parents or carers on student goals and progress, inform parents or carers on how they can engage in their child's education, and encourage parents or carers to engage in their child's learning outside of the classroom. ClassDojo enables graduate teachers to engage all parents or carers in their child's learning through ClassStory and Private Messages, as ClassDojo can be translated into 35 different languages. To meet AITSL Graduate Standard 3.7, graduate teachers must form strong relationships with parents or carers. This can be done through contacting parents or carers regularly and inviting them to participate in their child's learning to promote parent or carer engagement in student learning. Overall, ClassDojo is an effective resource in meeting AITSL Graduate Standard 3.7, as graduate teachers are able to promote parent or carer engagement in their child's learning, as it is an easy-to-access communication tool which enables parents or carers to become informed and involved in their child's learning.